Hi everyone! Today we are making a guilt-free banana bread. This bread is gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free and sugar-free. It's moist and tasty and is perfect to enjoy with a cup of tea. But here's the recipe. In a bowl, mash 5 yellow bananas and pour 250 ml of plant-based milk. We use almond milk. When the mixture is smooth, add a tablespoon of baking soda together with half tablespoon of vinegar. Then add 200 grams of almond flour. Mix well and then add an handful of raisins. Now pour 35 grams of veg oil. We use sunflower oil. After that, put a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now whisk the liquid from the can of chickpeas. Add a pinch of salt and incorporate the aquafaba into the mixture, stirring from the bottom up. Place the baking paper in a loaf pan, and if you like, you can decorate the surface of the bread with a banana cut in half or some nuts. Place in a preheated oven at 170 degrees and bake it for 45 minutes. This is the result of the bread the next morning. Basically, half was already gone when I woke up. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!